Hello, and welcome to the introduction to Naomi for Windows. First, let's explore some differences between the tablet and desktop versions. Naomi for Windows shares the same animation core, allowing easy file and scene transfer between the tablet and desktop versions. However, certain features such as face tracking or augmented reality are only available on the tablet or mobile versions of Naomi. So, without further ado, let's open Naomi and begin with basic navigation. First, create a new project. Let's add our first model by navigating to the menu, selecting Assets, and clicking on the ball icon. To rotate around the scene, hold Alt plus the left mouse button and move your mouse. For panning, hold Alt and the middle mouse button. To zoom in and out, again, hold Alt and the right mouse button while moving the mouse. Alternatively, you can use the mouse wheel for zooming. Now, let's explore how to focus on specific elements in the scene. In this example, we have two objects that are farther away, and simple zooming wouldn't be sufficient. By selecting the other object and pressing the F key on your keyboard, you can move the focus point, bringing you closer to the selected object. This is an essential navigation technique in 3D, and with a little practice, you'll be able to move around your scene seamlessly. Next, let's explore how to change tools. Select the controller and hold down the Q key on the keyboard. A pie menu will appear, allowing you to quickly switch between tools like Translate, Rotate, or Scale. You can also toggle between local and world orientation. Additionally, you'll find options to undo, redo, and save the scene. Moving on, let's dive into selections. It's straightforward. Hold down the Shift key on the keyboard to add controllers to the selection. With Shift selected, you can also draw a selection box. To remove controllers from the selection, simply click on them once more. Now, let's explore the timeline and create our first animation. To set keyframes, select the controller and press the S key on the keyboard. Move a few frames forward, adjust the controller, and the keyframe is automatically created. Play the timeline by holding down Alt and V on the keyboard, or press the spacebar. To navigate frame by frame, use either A or D on the keyboard. Jump between next or previous keys by holding Alt and pressing A or Alt and D, giving you complete control over your timeline. To manipulate a key, hold down Shift and draw a selection. Then, you can move the key. With the selection, you can also delete or duplicate the key. Now, let's explore having multiple views for the scene. Click on the icon in the top right corner and split the screen either horizontally or vertically. Choose from multiple options, and you can split the screen as many times as needed to create your ideal layout. You now have all the basics to start your first animation. Oh, one more thing. Check out the live recording button. Press it, and you can record whatever actions you perform with the controller in real time. Combine these techniques to create some impressive animations quickly. That's it for the beginning. Feel free to explore Naomi tutorials, including those for tablets or phones, as the steps are applicable to the Windows versions as well.